My custom Dr. Giro Lab diorama. So this is customized by me. Some of the parts are 3D printed and some parts are handmade by me. And shout out to Mr. Miguel Roman for a very nice 3D prints. And some parts are from Bandai Imagination Gashapon. So start here. See the door, Dr. Giro Lab's door, the two oil drums, and the Android 17 and 18 remote, and this lamp, and the table, and of course the table lamp, Android 17, 18, 19 pad, and this Android 16 pad. So here is Dr. Giro's computer, supercomputer, and here is cell incubator and Android 13, 14 and 15 pad. So as you can see on top is also there. So that's it for the Dr. Giro laboratory. So maybe we put now the androids. So we now have here the complete androids of the Red Ribbon Army by Dr. Giro. So let's start with Android 13, 14 and 15. And the one with the cup is Android 13, and the smallest one with the green hat is Android 15, and the gray one is Android 14, and Super Android 13, the one with the orange hair. And we have here the perfect cell, and here is Dr. Giro or Android 20. Here at the back we have Android 8, Android 16, the tallest one, Android 17 and 18 and 19, and Android 21 and Super Android 21. Here. So we have also here Cell Spy, and we have here the future Android 17 from GT, and of course Super Android 17 also from Dragon Ball GT. So that's it for my Dr. Giro diorama with the complete androids. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.